The four most dangerous words in investing are, "This time it's different." There is a huge difference between a good trade and good trading. Buy things that are going up. Sell things that are going down. And when they stop, get out. Don't blindly follow someone. Follow the market and try to hear what it is telling you. You never know what kind of setup the market will present to you. Your objective should be to find an opportunity where risk-reward ratio is best. What's the difference between a pro and an amateur? Professionals look for what's wrong with the setup. Amateurs only look for what's right. A peak performance trader is totally committed to being the best and doing whatever it takes to be the best. He feels totally responsible for whatever happens and thus can learn from mistakes. These people typically have a working business plan for trading, because they treat trading as a business.